Smart home study table, the ultimate smart desk organizer and study assistant. Problem statement, disorganized study space. Most desks lack built-in storage or smart system, leading to a messy work areas and lost materials. Number two, constant digital distraction. Smartphones and social media notification disrupt focus and reducing productivity. Number three, study tools. Students juggle between laptop, tablet, and phones just to access notes, calendars, and learning apps. Solutions. Smart modular storage with RFID tracking. Keep supplies organized and easily accessible, reducing clutter. Number two, AI-powered study assistant with voice commands. Help students stay focused with reminders, scheduling, and note summarization. Number three, all-in-one study system. Built-in Ubuntu OS screen, wireless charging, and sync tools to reduce the need for multiple devices. How solution works. Number one, organize effortlessly. RFID smart storage compartment. Let students scan and store items efficiently and reducing clutter. Number two, focus intelligently. The AI assistant set reminders, summarize notes, and can be controlled by voice, keeping hands and mind free for studying. Number three, study seamlessly. With a built-in touchscreen running Ubuntu OS, wireless charging, and syncing across Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac OS. Everything student needs is in one place. Nia Study Tech. And I am Alejandro Gomez, the tech expert. And my group mates is Neil Cedric F. Magat, the business strategist. And last one is John Eric Cruz, the UX designer.
Next, the target market. Our three core target market are first, students that age 12 to 25 years old because over 20 million students in the Philippines alone studying, especially in high school and college. Second, parents and household. Parents investing in better home-based learning tools for their children to focus on their doing tasks. Third, school and learning institutions. For school, libraries, and review centers looking to modernize the study environments. Next is the competition and competitive advantage. The smart home study tables have features AI-powered study assistant, wireless charging, smart modular storage, built-in screen with Ubuntu OS, and voice command integration. And the existing products, wala siyang features na mga ito like AI-powered nga, wireless charging, smart modular storage, built-in screen with Ubuntu OS, and also voice command integration. Next is the financial analysis. This is the estimated cost of our financial analysis. First, the research and development or R&D. The estimated cost is 3 million pesos. The prototype development 2.5 million pesos. Manufacturing setup like tooling, equipment 5 million pesos. For the raw materials and components for first 1,000 units is 4.5 million pesos. Software and AI development 2 million pesos. Marketing and advertising for the launch phase is 2 million pesos. Logistic and distribution 1.8 million pesos. Operational costs for staff, rent, utilities for 1 year 1 million pesos. Contingency fund for 10% of total cost is 2,180,000, and the total initial investment is 21,800,000.
So, for the year 1, yung sold unit po is 50,000 and yung revenue is 500 million pesos and the total cost is 475 million pesos and the gross profit is 20 million pesos. And for the year 2 is 100,000 pesos sold unit and for the revenue is 1 billion pesos and the total cost is 950 million pesos and the gross profit is 50 million pesos. And for year 3, yung sold unit is 150,000 and yung revenue is 1 billion 500 million pesos and the total cost is 1 billion and 425 million pesos and yung gross profit po is 75 million pesos. Next. So, smart home study table is smart learning starts with a smart table, upgrading your study life today. And the smart home study table, product prototype po namin is we have pre-installed productivity application and seamless connectivity. And next is Ubuntu OS with school application, AI assistant, and voice command. And meron din po tong LED lightning, wireless charging, built-in focus tools, and smart storage. And that's all po. Thank you.